In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contacts in Odoo, walking you through the process step by step. Whether you're managing customer relationships or organizing your business operations, setting up your contact list efficiently can make all the difference. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the home screen of your Odoo account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see various applications and modules lined up like a dashboard. Look for the contacts application. It's typically represented by an address book icon. Go ahead and click on it to open. Now that you're in the contacts module, look out for a button labeled new. This button is your gateway to creating a new contact. Click on new to start the process. Doing so will open a new contact form. It's like opening a fresh blank page ready for your input. Once you're in the new contact form, you'll need to decide the type of contact you want to create. Odoo provides you with two options. You can either create a contact for a person or for a company. Think about what you need at this moment. If this contact is an individual, select person. If it's a business or an organization, select company. This decision will impact the fields you need to fill out, so choose according to your needs. As you decide, fill in the relevant fields with the information you have. For a person, you'll typically need to enter details like first name, last name, and email. For a company, you might enter the business name, its contacts, and perhaps its industry. Odoo is intuitive, so don't worry about losing your progress. The system will auto-save your entries, meaning every detail you type in is automatically stored. This feature ensures you won't accidentally lose data, a handy aspect for peace of mind. And there you have it. Those are the basic steps to create a new contact in Odoo. It's designed to be user-friendly, taking just a few clicks to get essential information settled and ready for integration into your workflow. Remember, keeping your contact list up to date is crucial for maximizing your business efficiency and fostering communication with clients or partners. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide on creating contacts in Odoo has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below or explore more of our tech tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy organizing.